这条船是我们将要交付给船东伯格的第一条船，在苏豪船厂。我们得到了Norsepower的大力的支持，在前期制定了包括这个运输、安装、调试一系列的这个方案。
The track record of the history of this Norsepower Rotor Sails and the design, everything what they is made for, is very suitable for these kind of conditions, especially the harsh conditions you have in the North Sea and even worse in the North Sea.
Norsepower Rotor Sail has been designed from the ground up with ease of logistics and assembly in mind. Planning together with all the parties involved, Yangzhou Shipbuilding and Berge Rederi, we were able to install both 24 by 4 meter rotor sails in one day.
The collaboration between the yard, the MDC ship owner, and also the Norsepower has been very good in this situation. The synergy will be very practical, since these vessels will be operated in a relatively long range with battery power. This absolutely helps us towards reaching the sustainability goals the company has.
我相信它会给各个船东带来丰厚的回报，也会给Norsepower和苏豪船厂在国际市场上、国际舞台上带来更多的可能。
With over a decade of harsh North Sea experience, we wish BRF Froan sets a new benchmark for efficiency and sustainability in maritime industry, together with Norsepower Rotor Sails.